I had a Tuesday. I had well realistic that I'm gonna fail. I was oh my god well prepared about the failure in my brain. I don't know. I started rambling. Very impatient. I don't know these terms. I have done some research in the area where need nutritious in nature. Okay, interesting. Why are you here? And I don't want it to look like makeup. Can you all see my eyes? I don't trust myself. Oh my god. Good luck to me, I guess. Where did it go? Oh my god. Okay, it's right there. I have already done that. Oh my god. Imagine. That makes no sense. It was too much of an effort. I was lazy, okay? Lazy. Okay, wait. Oh my god, it has a sharpener sort of a thing. Mascara chatpata. Oh, but I have to take it off. Patience. I think I'm getting too close. I just started watering again. Oh god. Ah. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Just dipped my face into oil. What's it called? What am I saying? Oh my god. I need some sleep. I need some sleep, bro. Hello guys. Welcome back. How are you all, by the way? What are the vibes? Long time no see. Like this is literally what is the day today? 27, 28, 29. Something of March. Late end of March. Oh my god. Today I've got makeup off of Zepto and I'm gonna do a little haul right now. I just got it delivered. It's a Saturday, okay? And I just got it delivered. This week has been rather hectic. Let me start with number one. I had a Tuesday. I had I had an exam on Tuesday. I was all down in the dumps on Monday, even in the evening, because the practice test was done at that point of time, and then I failed, according to me, miserably. I just was so out of it. I was simply so exhausted, and I was very realistic that I'm gonna fail. I was like, I don't even. I will. Oh my god. I will try to blame it on the fact that I was very realistic and I had a very clear vision that I am going to fail. So I had my calm in that sense, if you know what I mean. Because I was already well prepared about the failure in my brain. So on Tuesday in the morning at 9 a.m. I had that exam and it went well. Surprisingly, I did end up passing. So that was a little anticlimactic in a good way. In a good way, in a great way, in a great way. I have been ruminating over this exam for a long time. If you've like picked up really from my previous vlogs, there have been mentions of me saying that I had talked about it since our first life reset vlog, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I had mentioned it in that vlog. I had mentioned it in the later vlogs as well, that I have this goal in the one of the previous vlogs as well, in December as well, the entire week vlog, where I mentioned that I have a goal. So I've been working towards this since December, even God knows beyond that. But the point is that we have succeeded. It did not settle in at that point of time. On Tuesday, I was like so dead walking outside of that hall. I was so dead. Oh my god. I was like exhausted and drained, and it did not even occur to me that it has finally happened and I have passed. And because I think it's just the fact that I had not prepared for it previously. I had not come to terms with the fact that I've succeeded. That is exactly why I was like so down in the dumps. I don't know. I don't know. It was a very complicated feeling, and I was very exhausted. Okay, and there was literally a lady who hugged me twice to get that thing into my brain that I have actually succeeded. You know what I mean? But it is a process. We have another exam to give, hopefully soon. I want it to be soon. We will be preparing. We are preparing for it. But I've been on a momentum, on a roll since then. On Wednesday, it started to strike a little bit, little, you know what I mean. Like it started to hit me little by little. Like, it didn't hit me all at once, but then gradually. Anyways, that is what has been going on. And then I have had a very exhausting week. My mom is not in town, so well, yeah. Um yeah I have, I don't know how to explain, but whatever. So she's coming back tomorrow. She left on, when did she leave? Wednesday, no, Thursday morning, Wednesday night, 2:30 basically. She had a flight and then she's coming back tomorrow, Sunday morning. Yep. Yeah, so well, today is Saturday. It's technically the last day, and yeah, it has not been a ride these past 2 3 days. Anyways, the point of this video, I started rambling. The point of this video is that I have no clue about makeup. I literally have only lipsticks, lip glosses, lip liners, eyeliner, mascara, and kajal. That was literally my collection, makeup collection, if you were to term it like that. And now I need makeup because I have an event coming up and I need to have makeup on my face. It's not necessary as of such, but I would prefer if it could just enhance my features in that sense. So we've got some stuff of Zepto right now, and I just ordered it some time back. So we're gonna do a little haul, okay? This right here is basically the collection I have got, and I was trying to do some drugstore sort of situation makeup. See, I've got a new mascara. I had the previous Mars one, the Double Trouble mascara, and that lasted for about 2 3 years to be precise. I got it in 2023, 2024, 2024, 2025, and 2026 till this point, April. I think it still has something left in it. I am not sure because the mascara doesn't give out the finish it gave previously. So I got another one of Mars because I trust Mars. I trust Mars mascara always. And this one's another version of it. This one's the dramatic thick length curls, the fabulous, basically fabulous one. I'll just show it to you guys. Actually, you know what? I was very impatient. I literally opened all of the seals, so I already know how it looks. I'm just redoing it. So this is what it looks like, and I am very excited to try this one. I have not tried it on yet. It's got this very see. It has got this, if you can see the wand, yeah, so basically it has got this curled sort of a texture on it, so which is very, on point to give that nice finish, to give that actual mascara look, you know what I mean? Just like how the mascara, the wand of it look, that circular aspect of it, it's not circular, it's got like a, I don't know how to explain it, but you just get this shape. I don't know, I don't know these terms. Anyways, it's interesting to look at. Anyways, I have not tried it on, but I trust Mars with their mascaras, so there's that. I am hoping that this is gonna. I love my mascaras. I for that clean girl makeup look. I trust mascaras only. Blushes and all that, I just use my lipstick for that. Then I got this. I have got a primer, the Real Makeup Base highlighting primer. I've got it in the shade Golden 10 and 02. Yeah. So basically, I have also unwrapped this. I have done some research, and then hence why I have chosen all of these products. This this is the original packing, okay. What this does is that it gives you a very, where is it? Brighten skin contains pearl powder. It brightens skin and makes the base fit and natural, shines as enchanting luster as well. Okay, what is okay? That English is wrong, but okay. That's your skin soft and moisturizing with this highlighting primer. Use it alone and brighten your skin. You mix the highlighting primer with base products such as foundation or BB cream with a scale of 1:1. After press on the palm, apply them on the face to finish the base. After finishing the base, apply the product on the area where it needs to be highlighted. Make skin more glossy. I want a very dewy kind of a makeup. I don't want it all very cakey and too much stuff going on simultaneously. So that is why I chose this golden one. There are two other shades, the natural tint and there's a pink tint. But the event is at night, so I wanted the golden tint rather than the natural tint. And pink tint, I did not want it to be there because I'll be applying blush. So doesn't make sense. It brightens your skin, modifies pores, moisturizing, and it's nutritious in nature. Okay, interesting. So this is when I open it. This is what it looks like. Like this. It's basically got. I like the structure of it. It's interesting. I have not used it. I'm not planning to use it right now. We will be doing a makeup look soon. Should we do it today? Interesting. I don't know. My face is not ready for that though. I have already, by the way, okay, I have already applied eyeshadow right now. because I was very impatient. I opened the packet as soon as it came in, and I applied little bit of eyeshadow. Yeah, there's that. It's golden and it has a yellow. The base eyeshadow is yellow, and then I had topped it off with the glitter eyeshadow. If I shimmer, it was basically a shimmery golden eyeshadow. I'll show it to you guys which shade I used. Then I have ordered the setting spray. I think I should be ordering some loose powder as well, a compact. I don't know, that sets it and basically does not basically smudge it. So this is the Hilary Rhoda Ultimate Makeup Fixer. Dual action formula, flawless finish, and lasting makeup finish. This is what the packaging looks like. It is infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. That's a plastic bottle. Yeah, plastic bottle. Whatever. But considering the price, I think it's fine only. It's 229 by the way. The price is 229. Why are you here? Then we've got Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette, which has five functions. There's literally five functions. Long-lasting oil control, used to hide dark circles, age spots, and large pores. Covers skin discoloration, there's birthmarks and scars. Covers both blemishes and trace of tiredness around the eyes. Reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Easily blendable formula, giving you a flawless look with brightened skin. Which is, I already opened this and I experimented with it already. So I think that the thing is that with this corrector and contour, whatever the thing is, I I'm fine with it as long as it's a concealer. But some people have mentioned, like I did my research before buying all of the makeup products. So there was this creator and he suggested, it was a he yeah, he suggested that it can be used as a foundation as well. But when I applied it, I think there is rather a skin tone difference. I have to blend it in properly, like I have to blend two shades properly, or I think I'm just not good at makeup, so maybe it could be that. But it just didn't look nice. You know what I mean? It looked patchy, not patchy in a sense, but it looked like makeup, and I don't want it to look like makeup. I want it to give a very natural dewy finish. You know what I mean? Like I don't want it to be like very cakey and very heavy like that. Basically, I want it to be very. Oh, I woke up like this, kind of like that. The next thing is the eyeshadow palette. I already used this. Can you can you all see my eyes? Like I used the yellow eyeshadow and then a golden shimmery thingy on top of it. Okay. So I used it the moment it got delivered. I was curious. I was playing around with it. It's got a 16 color eyeshadow. It has this is which shade? Okay, they have not mentioned the shade. I don't know. But this is the Hillary again. This is Hillary Rhoda Perfection eyeshadow palette, and it has 16 color eyeshadow. Mostly, it has these neutral shades basically. If you all can see, it has majorly neutral shades with some shimmery ones as well. And I do like I bought this particularly because it had a lot of neutral shades, which is good for me. I'm not gonna use it specifically for one event, but if I were to use it, I would like some neutral shades and tones. So this is what it looks like. Like, oh my god, it looks very pretty by the way. I like how eyeshadow palettes look. Now the point is that I will be trying on all of these makeup to look very put together on the day of the event, because I can't just turn up to the event looking like a mess, and we'll have to experiment before it, and I wanna get some idea and a basic hang over it. We'll be doing that. But first, I want to do a little eye makeup sort of situation, and we're gonna do it right now. I want to do a little mascara and very Indian style of Bollywood style of eye makeup, like very bold, not bold eye makeup as in I want mascara, kajal, and eyeliner. That's it, literally. I saw this tutorial on Instagram and I'm gonna follow it right now, and we're gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna change. This is my new I don't wanna sully it. So yeah, I don't trust myself. But this was a little haul. I'm also supposed to get a moisturizer. Oh my god, I'm also supposed to get a little moisturized situation. Oh my god. Good luck to me, I guess. I've never tried out makeup before. The only makeup I've used, I think I've already mentioned this, but there is very limited knowledge. It can be mastered by anyone, of course. I do want to learn makeup. I mean, it's interesting. It's pretty interesting. And if I want to learn makeup because it would highlight and enhance the features of my face in a better light, if you know what I mean. Anyways, so now we're gonna do a little eye makeup, okay? I'm gonna go grab the products. I'm gonna use this mascara, by the way. Where did it go? Oh my god. Okay, it's right there. We're gonna use the Mars mascara and we're gonna see how it looks. We're gonna use kajal and eyeliner. Let me go grab some stuff. Yes, okay. Okay.
Hours later.
Oh my god, like an idiot. I've been wasting an hour searching for the tutorial, which I have screen recorded, and I've been searching on it on Instagram, scrolling on all my accounts, and I'm like, where is it? I literally saved it yesterday. And then I'm like, okay, wait, did I screen record it? And that too, I realized after I searched it up on Instagram, like I searched up the tutorial, and it was because it was viewed so many times, like pretty went viral, okay? So I'm like, oh my god, wait, I think I've screen recorded because when I clicked on the video, I directly went to like my brain started processing it like, okay, wait, I need to screen record this. And then I'm like, I have already done that. Oh my god. Imagine. Anyways, so what are the products I have? I'm using the new mascara, the Mars Formula One, Fabulous one, sorry, not Formula One. That makes no sense. This one was the one I used previously, the Mars Double Trouble one, and I completed this. Power in it like is very minimal now at this point. This was like the second wand, and the first one looked like this. This has lasted pretty long time, and I used mascara like every day. Not every day, but like I used it a lot initially. Eventually, I got tired of it. This is what the first one looks like. There's nothing wrong with the product as such. I just wanted to like not apply it on my eyelashes because my eyelashes started, basically like it was too much of an effort. I was lazy. Okay, lazy. And next we have the which one is this? The Inside Intense Cool Kajal. Okay, this one. And is that there's no shade, right? Okay, wait. Oh my god, it has a sharpness sort of a thing. Wow, crazy. I just noticed it. And the next eyeliner, Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant. This has been like my first, these two things, mascara and one or two lipsticks. These two, three things were like my first makeup products. I don't know when I'm supposed to use this before because I still use it right till now. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna look at the tutorials on my tab right here. I just mailed it over. Yeah. I have literally named the message as Mascara Chatpata. See. Oh my god. Can you see? Mascara Chatpata like that. Oh my god. I'm gonna look at this. Finally, the video has started on my stupid tab because it was laggy. I have a mirror in front of me right now. I will be looking at it and my tab, of course, for obvious reasons because I wanna look there and make sure I'm not messing around. And by the way, the eyeshadow is still on. I'm not like getting rid of it somehow. I just want to do it on top of it. So we're gonna be using the Inside Kajal. Basically, right now, I'm just gonna follow this tutorial right now. Yeah, right here. Yeah, like this one, this viral one. Yeah, I know. She slayed. It's either you have to have eyes like that, or she has crazy skills. Oh, but I have to take it off regardless. I'm blind. He's filled it in basically. We're gonna do it right now as well, of course. No doubt. No doubt. This one's got a very swirling kind of a situation. This thing requires confidence, okay? Requires patience. Wait. Yeah, perfect. Oh my god, excuse me if I'm getting too close, but I need some lighting as well. Oh my god, my eyes start watering. You can remove excess amount of moisture from your waterline with this. I'm gonna do that for my left one. I forgot to do that for my right one. Anyways, we're gonna be. Can you look? Like I have done the upper side of it as well, and then the lower lash as well. Okay. Now I'm gonna be doing this one, the left one. I have to make sure that you all are recording, or else this will be a fun. No use. Oh my god. The mirror is placed on top of you guys, by the way. Because I can't wait. I have to do it like this. Oh my god, this is so confusing. Oh, my eyes have started watering again. Oh god. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Whatever. This part is done. I'm blind. Blind. Oh my god. The kajal is done. Now for the next one, let's see what she does next. She applies it on the and this she applies it above as well, and then she smudges it slightly. Let's see how that is. I'm afraid I'm gonna smudge the this thing eyeshadow on top. So this is the final look. I mean, you all can see. I have to learn 2-3 more things. I need to get a loose. My mic is running on low battery. The point is, I need to get a loose powder to because it's like too shiny right now. I want the dewy look, but I don't want it to look like I just dipped my face into oil, basically. This is the final look. So this is the final look. Let me know what you all think about this look. I think fine only. Anyways, we have. I need to get the loose powder, and I want to see how long this thing will last because I just got it done with some time back. So I'm gonna let it marinate in for some time. I have applied the setting spray, but I think I need a concealer and I'll need this thing. What's it called? Loose translucent powder. I think I'll get it, but this is the look for today. Let me know what you all thought about it. I think that we'll be ending this vlog right now over here. We do have a lot of stuff to do the next 2 weeks. It's gonna be all the more difficult, I would say. Not difficult, but like very busy and packed up, like we usually do. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna let this marinate in for some however long. I'm gonna show this look to my dad as well. I don't know. I mean, he doesn't know stuff, but I'm just gonna show it when when he returns back home. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. I'll see you all next week with a brand new one. We have a lot of nice, nice upcoming stuff coming up. What am I saying? Oh my god, I need some sleep in me. I need some sleep. I need some sleep, bro. I need some sleep. I literally slept at 2:45 while I was watching my YouTube. And then I woke up at 3 because I was like, okay, I should, because I had applied eyeshadow before that. Like I mentioned when I was opening the package, I got very excited and I applied the eyeshadow directly at that point of time. I was like, I should not be sleeping with makeup on my face. I was awake completely, but now I just feel that I need to sleep. The point is that I need sleep and I have a lot of stuff coming up next 2 weeks. Yeah. You guys will see, you'll log it or you'll try to at least log it. I have to make a lot of play stuff as well. So that's obviously gonna be low. But anyways, for today, that's it. I know this one's a little short, but can't help it, guys, okay? I'll see you all next week with a brand new one. Hopefully. Till then, take care. Bye bye.